Hello, dear friends, students, brothers, sisters. We have been discussing the lesson um, A Dialogue on Democracy. In the last class, we have reached where Jack and Anne have been discussing about the definition of democracy. It is there in the fifth line or sixth line. Jack asks, well, we haven't decided what we meant by democracy yet, have we? And for that question, Anne responds that I don't think it's possible to define the word. She gives the factual information. She says that it's highly difficult to define the word democracy in a particular way because in Western Europe, we perhaps mean the kind of government that allows all of us to discuss policies quite freely. In Western countries, democracy means the country or the government which allows the people of that country to discuss the policies freely. But it's not so in the Eastern countries like Bangladesh, Pakistan, Iran, and Afghanistan. It is different. There must be rule by the majority, but respect for the rights of minorities. Very nice explanation. It's the rule of majority, but there will be a respect for the rights of minorities. Right? Minorities must be given respect when there will be a rule of majorities. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಂದ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಡೆಮೋಕ್ರಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಾರಿಟಿಯವರ ಹಕ್ಕಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ರೈಟ್, ತುಂಬ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಡಿಕ್ಟರಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಡಾಕ್ಸಿಕಲ್, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಎಸ್, ಜಾಕ್, ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್. And Mr. Citizen must share in the government by electing the right sort of men. Mr. Citizen means every citizen. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ನಾಗರಿಕನು ಕೂಡ ರೈಟ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆನ್ನನ್ನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಹೀಸ್ ವೋಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಎಸ್, that sort of men whom we elect, he has to represent the parliament, and that he must use his vote intelligently. The person who is being elected, ಯಾರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆರಿಸಿ ಕಳಿಸುತ್ತೇವೋ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು, ತಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾದಂತಹ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ನ ವಾದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ Mrs. Citizen and Miss Citizen too, Jack, don't forget the women MPs. There is feminism. She asks the rights of women. And not only Mr. Citizen, Miss Citizen, Mrs. Citizen, both he has to remember. That is how she reminds Jack of the womenism and the rights of women. Right? Jack, well, we are back where we started, aren't we? ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಮತ್ತೀಗ ಬಂದು ಕೂಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ವೆಲ್, ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಮೇರಿಕನ್ಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೆಮೋಕ್ರಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ವೆರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಆಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ he says that they treat each other equally even though they are not equals. Even though they are not equals, but they have been treated as equals, right? I don't know in what aspect Jack says that they are not equals. Equality or not aspect, it is also a question. Equality must be equal. That's a concept we are supposed to understand. And Anna says, then this country is not democracy yet. As if you consider America and Australia, Anna says that this country is not a democracy yet. England, she is telling us all about, England is not a democracy yet. Women have got right to vote. but we haven't got equal pay for equal work in all the professions yet. All the professions he is telling. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ವೋಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಪೇ, ಸಮನಾದಂತಹ ಪೇ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮನಾದಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸ, ಸಮನಾದಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾನವಾದಂತಹ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇವನ್ ನಾವ್. ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಸತ್ಯ. ಸಮಾನ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾನ ವೇತನ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವಳ ವಾದ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಡೆಮಾಕ್ರಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆನೆಯ ವಾದ. ಎಸ್, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಸೂನ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್, ಜಾಕ್ ಸೇಸ್. When the Australian says his country is democratic, he is probably not thinking of government at all. When Australians say his country is democratic, he is probably not thinking of government at all. If a workman there meets his employer, he won't say good morning sir or good morning Mr. White. He'll say good morning Joe. Yes, it's more than enough, more than a freedom, more than independence. Right? This is how in India it is completely different. If you meet your boss, how you say? You just not only say namaskar sir, you have to bend down. You have to bend down and you have to say ತುಂಬ ದೈನ್ಯತೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಕರ್ಟ್ಸಿ, ರೈಟ್? ತುಂಬ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತಾ ಭಾವದಿಂದ. ಇವನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಎನಿವೇ. That is how in India it is democracy, but it's still not democratic country. Jack says, well, that's another kind of democracy. How difficult it is to get a definition for this word. At last, they have been not able to define the word democracy. They have discussed a lot of things of democracy, but they have not been able to come to a conclusion that a particular sort of thing is democracy, because democracy is different from state to state and country to country, isn't it? Yes, sir, because equality differs. Whether there is a equality at home, yes, a simple question, whether your mom treats girl and boy, daughter and son equally. Whether mom treats daughter and son equally in India? No. But then how we are claiming equality in the society? Yes, equality is there in India, but it is nowhere. Yes, democracy in India is just in the books. That is how even though we are democratic, there is no democracy in India. Yes, really, India is a cultured country, but Indians are not, isn't it? Beautiful concept these are. Thank you very much for listening. You can see in your PDF file which I have sent the notes and explanation. This is the end of first lesson, and we have got one poem already completed. And watch these things as much as possible. Try to understand. If you don't understand, try to contact us through contact classes. You are not forced at all. You can come anytime. If it's possible, come. If not possible, don't come. Yes, completely after the COVID-19 vanishes, then only we will have a beautiful nature, beautiful things at our classrooms. Until then, take care, read well, right? These are the 2 lessons we have got completed, and in the next videos we will begin another poem or lesson, right? Grammar we'll discuss later through direct method. Let's meet then. Thank you very much.